Hey friends, if you wish to fix Microsoft Store error 0x80131500 on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. And the resolution has interestingly been given on the Microsoft Answers forum. A lot of users have appreciated it. Now I'll explain this very carefully. Press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type the command inetcpl.cpl and hit enter, okay? Now go to the advanced tab and scroll down to the bottom where you can see this option for use SSL and all. Okay, these three options. Okay, so it says unselect SSL 3.0 and 1.0 and 1.1, and then select 1.2 and 1.3 the way it has been done here. Just take a screenshot or just remember this. First three gone, second three are checked. Click on apply and then on OK to save the settings, and your problem will be solved. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.